Hello everyone, or no one if no one ever watches this video. So I got a new camera, so I'm testing it out. My husband gifted it to me, so I'm really hoping I like it. But we'll see how it turns out. My hair is super frizzy because I dyed it. That's a long story, and I kind of want to make like a segment called like Chismes con Caroli, which is like gossip with Carolee. So if you're interested on actually hearing me ramp about my life and complain about stupid first world problems, then let me know down below and I'll do that. But anyways, so what I'm doing today is I am decluttering my closet, and I know it's a new year, everybody's doing this. There's a new show on Netflix with Marie, cannot say her last name, but pretty much I read her book when it came out a couple of years ago. I already folded my clothes that way. I didn't feel like I gained anything from it, but from my personal experience and for my personal joy, which is what I did get from it, I need to declutter my closet. I have so much stuff I don't even wear. It's pointless to have it in this closet. We'll be moving this year, so what's the point of moving all these things that I don't even care about? There's no point. So to make it short, what I'm going to be doing is I'm not planning to like declutter my entire closet to end up like a minimalist, because I have tried minimalism, whatever the word is, in my house, like for decor, like on my shelving and stuff like that, and it just doesn't work for me. Like, I personally need junk, and not in that sense, but I don't feel homey, you know. So I think like it depends on each person how much you want to have. It's not really like a standard like you should have this much. So for me personally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through everything. Things that I haven't worn, even if they're new, I'm going to get rid of them, because obviously I'm not going to wear them. Like, I need to stop making excuses for it. And just like things that don't look good on me, like when I put them on. And yes, I did dress up. Well, not really, I'm wearing leggings, but I wear this sweater that I love and it's super comfy, and big earrings and makeup to do this because I wanted to feel great when I was doing it. But I'm only keeping things that I truly enjoy, because then I can get things that I truly enjoy and they'll fit in my closet. But so yeah, to make it short, I'm only keeping things that I truly enjoy and I truly wear, and if I don't, then they need to go, because what's the point? And I'm not gonna make excuses and try to be like, oh, I'm gonna sell it on Plato's Closet or this or that. No. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get a garbage bag and I'm just gonna fill them up, and it's all gonna go to Goodwill, besides like my Jordans. I don't know what I'm doing with those because I don't wear them, but I mean, I guess I could take them to Goodwill and somebody can get them for a really good price. But I think my husband will be pissed because I did pay regular retail price for all of them. So those I'm gonna keep to the side and see if someone I personally know wants them. And if not, then they'll probably end up at Goodwill. So if you're in Colorado Springs, you might want to check your Goodwill for some Jordans. But anyways, but yeah, I have so much stuff here that I don't use. And I did do my jeans a couple months ago, so I don't think I'm really getting rid of any jeans. But I'm still going to take everything out of the closet. And we had guests staying here, so there's a bed on the floor in like my office / makeup room, whatever you call this, closet room. So I'm just going to dump everything on here. I'm going to separate it in categories. As I dump it out, like shirts, pants, jackets, dresses, and then I'm gonna go through every single one, and I'm gonna see, do I wear it? Like, does it bring me joy? And if I'm not wearing it and it does bring me joy, why am I not wearing it? And then from that is when I'm gonna decide. And let me know what you guys think of my hair, because it was a long story. But if you want to know more, like I said, just let me know. I do want to create a segment called Chismes Caroli. And another thing that I wanted to put out there was this year I truly and honestly want to grow this channel. And not just mine. I want to help other people. If I'm able to grow mine, I want to help them grow theirs, because the internet is such a great tool, and I feel like we're in an era where you can make so much money, like some people are doing on the internet and things like that, and help your significant other, support you, or just get ahead in life and things like that. So there's no reason why you shouldn't hit subscribe, because it doesn't cost you anything, honestly, and you're just helping me out. And if you want me to subscribe to you, then leave it down below and I will be subscribing. It doesn't cost me anything either. But yeah, so I just think like I want to create a community where we can support each other. And like I said, I'm going to start in my closet right now. So I need to stop talking because I'm making this so long. But I'm going to stop talking, and then I'm going to dump everything out, and then you guys will see me organize it, and I'll probably do a voiceover. Bye guys, I'll catch up with you guys afterwards, after I'm done, so I'll give you a mini tour now. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys a quick little tour of my closet. I keep handbags, shoes, and some pants folded, and then I have more shoes, jackets on that side, and dresses, and more shoes because I have a shoe and handbag problem. It is ridiculous. So pretty much what I did is I emptied everything out of my closet.
That way everything was out of it and I could place things exactly how I wanted.
Okay guys, so pretty much I have no room to take off my shoes on my bags because, oh god, I'm gonna fall. Because everything is full of clothes right now, like literally everywhere. So I think I'm gonna move you guys closer to me, and I'm gonna keep you there for now. I'm gonna start going through. I was trying to separate like jackets, shirts, this, that. Didn't work out because I have too much crap. Because I don't want to use another word that I'm really thinking of calling myself. So what I'm gonna do, oh god, guys, my phone is at the bottom of all my clothes, and it's ringing. So give me a second. Oh god, I can't. Oh. I found it. I can't believe I did that. But anyways, so yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start going through things and start putting them away, and I'll just do a voiceover, just because it'll be easier than me stopping and talking to the camera every 5 minutes, because I'm gonna be out of breath. I probably need a break already, and I haven't even started. I have a problem, big problem here. So I'm gonna text back, group project for school, and then I'm gonna start putting things away.
So pretty much what I did is I will grab everything, and whatever I wanted to keep, I was hanging in the closet. Whatever I haven't used in a while, I'm just throwing in a pile, and I forgot to grab a bag. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. And then I'm hanging things opposite. So the hangers will be opposite to things that I don't normally wear or things that I want to wear. And if I don't wear those by a certain day, then I will be getting rid of them. And then I'm folding the shirt, so kind of like a little mini file, and I'm piling them on top of each other, and then I'm just going to put them in there. I ended up putting a lot of shirts into Goodwill as well, so these are really like the ones I'm keeping, and like you can see, I'm throwing other things to the side that I will not be keeping and hanging things that I do want to keep. And then it's very important that you keep things that you actually want and that it makes sense to you how you're laying them out in your closet. I'm hanging my bigger scarves just because it was easier that way. And then I'm putting everything into a huge bag for Goodwill because it wouldn't fit in a normal garbage bag. And I'm just finishing picking up everything like hangers and things like that. This is the end result. I ended up putting my dresses and scarves and longer things on that side, shoes, purses. Didn't really touch my purses. And then I folded my pants and my shirts, and then there's jackets and other shirts that I actually wear.
Alright guys, so I'm done. The only thing I have left is doing my underwear, which I'm obviously not going to show you guys, and my pajamas, but I might show you my pajamas on like another cleaning situation because my husband is back and he doesn't know that I like talking to the camera by myself. So I mean, he doesn't really care, but I don't want him to think that I'm more insane than I really am. But anyways, so what I did is I hung my dresses and things that were off season backwards, and I'll tell you guys on the video. And pretty much if I don't wear them by that season or by the time that I set for myself, then they gotta go. But yeah, I have a huge giant bag that needs to go to Goodwill now. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe because remember, it's free. Bye guys.